All right. You ready yet? You ready yet? I don't know what's taking you so long. I'm ready to get the parachute on, Randy. Let's go.
Just gotta angle it up more.
Yeah, here, hold that. Nope, I think that fits good.
Yeah.
Sweet. There we go.
Alrighty.
What about there?
Well, I would put that in there, and
Okay, yeah, we can.
that would help square it up.
Let me
and
get.
then
Yeah. Pause that. Let me get a magnet.
I think that'll do. Matches the rest of the truck.
What? not quite square, not quite straight. Matches the rest of the truck. Is that what you're saying? Nah, that'll work. Sweet.
I'm gonna tack the other side. Pull it all up.
Okay. Go ahead.
That's just some thin tubing. Hold on.
What's thin?
Hold that. Very droopy.
Time to install some headlights. Custom 3D printed clips. Pretty good, if I say so.
So just wanted to finish up with a couple of videos of some passes that we got to make with the truck last year. Wish we would have had a few more. Unfortunately, due to scheduling conflicts, didn't really have a whole lot of help to get any videos made while the track being shorthanded. So just sharing what we did get. First video is from the Prep Kings at Maple Grove in April of 24. It is our first pass, or we drew El Kiko that round. Little bit of a tricky track. It had rained all day, so it was damp, it was cold. So went out for that first pass and had a promising looking pass. Numbers looked good early on. Probably broke traction around 200, 250 feet. And that was pretty much it. Not that we really had anything for El Kiko. That car is amazing. But it would have been nice to make a full hit on Randy, just to see what it could do. It's being one of only the second time I really had the truck to the track. First time on no prep. Saturday, bit of a different story. We rolled in and the right rear tire was flat. So right rear slick was flat. So frantically ran around that morning trying to find a tube. Don't know what happened. It split at the valve stem. So ran around that morning trying to find a tube. Had one back at the house, luckily. And luckily my wife wasn't very far from home when we called her. So she had to turn around, get my tools, get the tube, bring it up. Me and my nephew got the tube swapped with minutes to spare before the drivers' meeting. So we made it up for first round. Again, a little frantic, a little rushed. So not really in the right mindset. And just did not get it up on boost. Staging was a little off. As you can see, I go in deep. And then when the tree comes down, there was no power there. It just lugged out. Then when the power did kick in, it just broke the tires loose and made a hard move. I mean, you can see it in the video. It kicks really hard to the right. So that kind of ended that, which was a bummer. We should have had that truck covered that day and at least got past first round. But that's why they call it racing. Not only does your car have to be on its game, you have to be on your game. And if either one of you ain't working right, you're not going to get the outcome you want. So made the best of it. Still had fun. It was still a good experience. So then the last video was a test session out of Cecil County. Only got one hit that night because it was a busy night. Wasn't a bad hit. It ran a 567. The one thing we did notice is it was killing the tire. Like, it was literally crushing the tire. So took the truck back, went over the suspension, found some things in the back that I didn't like. So wound up spending a couple of weeks redoing the whole back suspension. Unfortunately, I didn't get any video of what I did. It just wasn't convenient. And also I didn't get any video of the runs that we made after we got it straightened out. But after getting the back suspension straightened out, getting the pinion angle set to where it needed to be, and redoing the anti-roll bar and stuff, the truck picked up everywhere. It was quicker, it was faster. So that was a promising finish of the year. This year, haven't got out yet. Did some upgrades to it, refreshed the motor, had some setbacks, knee surgery, part setbacks, other things. So yeah, so haven't been out yet. Looking to be out by mid-August. Obviously hit some testing tunes, hopefully hit a few events, and go from there. So wasn't the plan we had for this year, but we're gonna make the best of it anyway. Hopefully see you all on the racetrack soon.